Welcome to A Day in My Life on the Road. Today, we found a little slice of paradise on a Texas beach. This is Lola's VIP's area. Meanwhile, I tried to get some good shots of the birds, so I decided to play them a song, but they still didn't came. The beach for me is where creativity just flows. A little bit sunbathing, go for a run. Patience paid off because look at that beautiful birds. Go for another walk. It's always fun to see Lola's point of view on camera. And watch the sunset, you know? Just enjoy and watch the sunset as we go.